Axiostat is a cutting-edge product designed to control severe bleeding quickly and effectively. This dressing is particularly valuable in emergencies where time is critical. Axiostat promotes rapid blood clotting at the wound site. When applied, it accelerates the body's natural clotting process, helping to control bleeding within minutes. This is crucial in trauma situations where uncontrolled bleeding can be life-threatening. The application of Axiostat is straightforward. First, ensure that you have proper protective gear, including gloves, to prevent contamination. Clean the wound area as best as you can. Then apply Axiostat dressings directly to the bleeding site, pressing it firmly to ensure it adheres well. Maintaining pressure is important to allow the dressing to activate and the clotting process to begin. Axiostat is highly effective for various types of wounds, including those with heavy bleeding. It's versatile and can be used in different settings, from battlefield to civilian emergencies. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around in medical kits, ensuring it's readily available when needed. One of the significant advantages of Axiostat is its ability to work in challenging conditions. Whether it's in a deep wound or a surface laceration, Axiostat can adapt and provide the necessary haemostatic support. This makes it a vital tool for first responders, military personnel, and even for use in remote areas where medical help might be delayed. Remember, while Axiostat is a powerful tool for managing bleeding, it's essential to follow up with professional medical care as soon as possible. The dressing is designed to temporarily control bleeding, buying valuable time until more comprehensive treatment can be administered. Safety is paramount when using Axiostat. Ensure you follow all instructions carefully and handle the dressing with clean hands or gloves to prevent infection. Always carry it as part of your emergency medical kit and be prepared to use it correctly in a trauma situation.